Welcome to the webinar. I'm James Timmons. In this session, I'm going to show you how to do a quick file maintenance for EmbroideryStudio 4.5. As you're working inside the software, you have backup files and you have what we call recover files that are constantly being saved to your directories. And these files need to be removed in order to free up space on your hard drive. So I'm going to show you how to purge the backup and the recover folders. From your desktop, you'll need to navigate to your lower left corner to your Windows Start button. You're going to left click here. It's going to bring up your page here for your programming. You're going to scroll all the way down here until you locate the Wilcom EmbroideryStudio 4.5. You'll left click on your arrow here. As you scroll down, you will see the Purge Recovery icon here. And you have several choices with this. You can right click on this and you could send this to your Start button, to your Start menu, or you can move it here to your taskbar. Okay. Now we want to purge these backup and these recover folders. As we click here, you're going to get a pop-up on your screen informing you that the purge, recover, and backup directories, and you can click here to purge the recovery directory. These particular files are from files that were not removed when you close the program down, okay, or if there are any errors with those particular files. You click here to delete the backup files as well, and by doing this you save your hard drive space. And this needs to be done on the 15th or the 15th and the 30th of each month in order to maintain your system, and as far as having it to be able to run smoothly without any of these extra files here located on your hard drive. Okay. Once you click OK, the system will tell you that the purge directory and the backup directories have been successfully deleted. Here you click OK. You can navigate up top here to your recycle bin, or you can right click and you can empty your recycle bin. You navigate and you confirm it, and now your system has been cleared of these backup and these recover files. So I've showed you how to purge the backup and the recover folders. For more information, you can please visit us at www.aboutstitches.com. Thank you. I hope that you learned something today and hope to see you in another webinar. Have a good day.